Hey everyone, Scott with Flip and Customize here, and today we got a new product to test at a company called Influences, and I apologize if I'm not pronouncing that right, but they are license plate fasteners, and they are freaking awesome. Check these out. All right, guys, I went ahead and took one apart just so you can kind of see how the fastener is attached, how you want to, it is universal. There's a nut that's affixed to the back of it itself. So it depends if you just want to through bolt it with a nut on both sides. This threaded insert actually has an Allen head in the end of it. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this into our plastic insert where our license plate goes. And then on the back of that, we put our license plate over it, and then we just simply tighten this down on top of it. So there's different ways you can go ahead and do this, but it's universal, it's pretty easy, and again, a ton of a variety. So let's put one on. All right, just want to mention a couple tools I found myself that was able to use on this as well is the 3/8 wrench for the nuts and the 3mm Allen wrench for the heads of the studs themselves. I just wanted to mention that you might want to get those, use those on your install. All right, here we are in the back of the Magnum. And there's our threaded stud itself that we're just going to thread into the back of the bumper on the Magnum itself. And it is just an Allen in the back of that. So we just simply thread this in. I'll do this with the camera set down. And then we put our plate on and see how it looks. All right, I know you just saw it in fast motion, but I wanted to show you the, like I said, the threaded insert itself with the Allen on the end of it. The Allen socket. You just go ahead and thread those in, and then you put your plate on, not upside down like that. And after that, on go our little accessories. Let me get them on there and I'll show you what it looks like installed. Pretty sweet. All right, there it is. They are on there. We went with the skull and crossbones. I like that look, pretty badass on the Magnum itself. Again, all kinds of different styles, shapes, anything you want, check them out. The link itself is going to be in our description, and it's going to be on Amazon. So you just click the link, you take you to Amazon where you can get these things directly. All right, guys, so I hope you like this. It's pretty cool. It's a way to give your vehicle that unique look, and it's a little added touch, whether it's your motorcycle, your car, your truck, whatever it is, anything, license plate brackets, accessories, whatever you want. These guys have it down. Again, link in the description, and you get yourself a set of these. They're right on Amazon. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Flippin' Customized.